Hello, employers in Hong Kong. My name is Isa G. Masaoy from Philippines. I'm 36 years old. I'm married of three children. The one is 14 years old, the second is 8 years old, and the last is 5 years old. I am undergraduate of practical nursing. I have work experience as a domestic helper in Bahrain, Hong Kong, and the last is Kuwait of 2 years. As a domestic helper, I'm cleaning, ironing, wash clothes, and take care newborn, children, and eldest. And I will sing a song with children like Baby Sharp toot toot toot, Baby Sharp toot toot toot, Baby Sharp, and Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, how I wonder what you are. And I will read storybook like Snow White and Pinocchio. I want to work in Hong Kong as a better life and future of my children. I hope you will get me as a domestic helper of your family, and I will do my best to work. Thank you, Mom and Sir.